Insects may be small, but their defense skills are truly remarkable. Take the bombardier beetle, for instance. When threatened, it can shoot a boiling chemical spray from its rear, creating a fierce deterrent for any attacker. Then there are stick insects, masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings by looking just like twigs. Ants are another incredible example. They work together in swarms, using chemical signals to call for reinforcements when danger approaches. And let's not forget butterflies. Some species have evolved eye spots on their wings, tricking predators into thinking they're staring down a much larger threat. These tiny defenders show us that when it comes to survival, nature has equipped them with some of the most ingenious tricks around.